Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, what's up? So today's topic is about procedural tax. So I am Arif Rahman as the member of Group 3, and I am with my group will explain you how we can know about the procedural tax very perfectly. So stay tuned until the end. So, in this panel, I want to share you how to get a university scholarships in the United Kingdom. So, the social function of this tax procedure is about to guide people about how to get a university scholarship in the United Kingdom. So, the structure tax of this panel of procedure tax is to procedure tax of video which has an aim to guide someone about how to get a university scholarships in the United Kingdoms. So the second structure is the ingredient or materials, or we could say instructions. So in the instructions we have 5 points. The first point is educational excellence, and the second point is the country specific, and the third point is the school specific, and the fourth point is the course specific, and the last point is the sport excellence or the achievements. So the steps or methods how we can take the scholarships in school in the United Kingdom, we could say in the two ways. The first way is doing your own research, and the secondly is the applying your content to university. So it's very clearly how to get a scholarships in the United Kingdom.
The language future in how to get a university scholarship in the UK. First, using future tense and model. For example, you can even get the whole master's course paid for you using simple present tense. For example, the University of Bath, the Faculty of Engineering offers a scholarship. I recommended emailing universities to find out. Adjective: hard, free, higher, perfect. Pronounce: your, my. Verbs: guiding, talk, applying, provide, obtaining, pursue. Nouns: scholarship, fees, reduction, course, research.
Let's move on to the second procedure text. So here we have an analysis of procedure text about how to borrow ebooks and more with the Ohio Digital Library. There is the social function. It is to explain steps of borrowing ebooks from the Ohio Digital Library. The structure text. There is the aim or goal. This procedure text video has an aim to guide and make people understand about how to borrow ebooks from the Ohio Digital Library. And then we will need the first, there is a laptop or other device, and the second is the internet connection, and the third is Start Kit library card. Here are the steps of how to borrow ebooks with the Ohio Digital Library. First, open the web startkitlibrary.org. Secondly, hover over the top bar which reads Services, and then click 24/7 Online Digital Library. It will take you to a page that gives you many offers of digital collections. And then click ebooks. After that, click Overdrive Libby, or it also says Ohio Digital Library. It will take you to a page that gives you information about how to borrow and different options that you have inside your account. If you have a Start Library card, You also already have Ohio Digital Library account. Click Open Overdrive. It will take you to the web page for the Ohio Digital Library. You can also search it by sorting with the options about the book availability, audience, date edit, ebooks, audiobooks, and subjects, and much more. Look at the availability of the book at the top of the book jacket. If it says available, then you are able to borrow it now. If it says wait list, you can place a hold and get the item after it is available.
So, there are so many kind of language features in this video. The first one is use simple present tense. It is on the part of speech. Today's topic for the sneak peek into technology is blah blah blah. And then use simple future tense. For examples, I'm going to use the Start Country Library website. I'm going to click on the button blah 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 and you will see a bookshelf. There are so many simple future tense that spoken by the speaker actually. And then we move to the verbs, nouns, and pronouns. For the verbs, we have log in, borrow, use, click, see, select, type, change, search, show, look, and many more. For the nouns, we have the site, account, item, information, option, collection, and many more. And for the pronouns, we have your, its, they, their, its, and that. And also, in this video, there is an adjective. It is my favorite author. Next, on the part of speech, I would like you to see. It is a word would that means a model. And the last one is adverb of place. It is next to the author's name. So that's it.
The next is how to apply for a student visa to the US. The social function is to accompany someone who wants to apply visa and study abroad. The next is the structure text. The structure text, the first is aim or goal. This produced text video has an aim to accompany someone who wants to apply visa and study abroad. Second is you will need. 1 is list of school. 2, 1 until 20 form. 3, A1 student visa application. 4 is US consulate or embassy. 5 from 1 until 539. 6 is optional internet access. The language feature and the video how to apply for a student visa to the US. First is using future tense. For example, this guide will help you to. You will need. Second is using simple present tense and imperatives. For example, start the admission process. Third is verb. For example, select, wait, fill, read, visit, move. Fourth is noun. For example, admission, application. Pronouns, your. The last is adverb of time. Until 100 to 20 days before the start date, 30 days before the class